Gavin Casalegno is an American actor and model. He was born on September 2, 1999 in Lewisville, Texas, United States. His first acting role on the television was for the Jerry Bruckheimer series, in which he played the role of a school kid. He began acting when he was just 7 years old. Early in his career, he appeared in a commercial for Papa John's Pizza. He attended numerous acting workshops in Lewisville, Texas during his younger years. His father's name is Bryan Casalegno and his mother's name is Allyson Casalegno. He also has one sister and her name is Ashlyn Casalegno. His sister Ashlyn Casalegno is also an actress. He has been in a relationship with dancer Larson Thompson. Gavin Casalegno and girlfriend Larson Thompson have a soon-worthy romance. He has recently gained attention for his role on Amazon Prime's The Summer I Turned Pretty, but his off-screen relationship rivals that of Jeremiah and Billy. Thompson really is a triple threat. In addition to modeling and dancing, she made her feature film debut in Bloodline in September 2018 and is set to star on the Netflix series The Midnight Club later this year. Gavin became famous after playing the role of Jeremiah in the series named The Summer I Turned Pretty. He is famous for his amazing performance as young demon in the television series named The Vampire Diaries. He also worked in many television shows like Walker, The Unhealer, A Taylor Story, and others. Gavin is also a model who has modeled for many famous brands. He has played a variety of roles in films in the United States and seems to have gained fame in various ways through those films. He has trained and studied with several of the most highly regarded acting coaches and casting directors in the industry and has developed a great emotional range and memorization skills in the process. He has also played the role of a schoolboy in the television series Chase. Later, Gavin starred in several series such as Butters, Hear Me Whisper, I Am Gabriel, The Iceman, Noah, and others. Casalegno also served as a second assistant director in the short film 3 Days Closer. Gavin has also made appearances on various shows including Noah's Making of Iceland, Extreme Beauty. The year 2017 became one of the busiest years he had ever experienced as he was seen in multiple short films like 9 Seconds, Sage Alexander Hall of Nightmares, VR Experience, and Dream Chasers. Gavin Casalegno has a lot of acting and modeling experience throughout the years of his journey.